ViduAI presents Q3, built for storytelling.
Hi everyone, welcome to video. Q2Pro is using references like images and videos to create our video. Earlier we learned what are the steps we take to create 1. First, text to image. Here you type your prompt to create the desired image. Press create. We also learned about the different image formats which we can use for our videos. Now in this tutorial, we are going to learn about references, how we can create them and use them in Q2Pro. You can see an example here.
Ready? Let's rock this dimension.
Imagination is your creation with Q2Pro using references. ViduAI, presenting Q2Pro versus Q3, a comparison tutorial. Vidu Vision, imagination without limits, 1080p high definition.
I started with text to image and used the same prompt as text to video. You can see the result here. Notice the difference when we add image to Q3 video and text to video using Q3. Same prompt, Q3 video generation, result is different. So same prompting may give different results. You can generate a good result using images. Images and videos are used in Q2 reference. Now that we have learned the results from text to video using Q3, we will learn how to use Vidu Q2Pro. Images created with ViduAI Q2, use the button Apply, select Reference to Image. Upload our own images, save to My Reference. Use images from Vidu 2.0 library. Reference. 2. Dynamic reference. 3. Prompt reference. Static and dynamic reference both will provide the prompt by default. However, if you would like to add your own prompt, you can do so here. Select the tags such as scene, bird, and we will see how to create Vidu Q2Pro videos, add up to 7 images and effects. Decide the flow of your prompt. Limit to 1450 characters, which includes reference names. Decide the scene, subject, action, effect, and music. When using dialogue, concentrate on one subject. Example, he says or she says. The dialogue in open quote such as 16:9 format or 9:16 for example. Decide the length of the video from 1 second to 16 seconds. Then press Create. You can also extract an image from a created video using the extract scene as we learned earlier. This helps us continue a story.
The cosmic balance is at stake. We must not fail.
We are ready to face whatever it takes.
Let's discover this world under the night sky.
This short film was made with Q2Pro and image to Q3 video, 1080p Vidu Vision with sound. ViduAI, imagination without limits.
Thank you for watching my tutorial today.